Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make bath and beauty products for those of you who are new here. Today we're going to make a brown sugar fall inspired lip scrub. With the weather getting colder and all the dry heat inside and the wind outside, your lips can get really dry, and this is a great way to keep them soft. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar measured out in a bowl here. Then next we're going to take 1 tablespoon of shea butter and get that in our bowl. Then we're going to add in a tablespoon of coconut oil. Then after that, oops, we got some shea butter I missed there. Let me get all that goodness in the bowl. There we go. Then next I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And in between all of the different oils in here, that's what's going to help with the softness. And then the brown sugar will act as the exfoliator. So got that in as well. So what we're going to do next is we're going to just heat this up in the microwave in about 20-second burst until it's completely melted. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done and be right back. Alright, so all of our oils are now melted. The brown sugar of course isn't, but that's fine. You want that to have some, retain some of the grains in there so it actually works as the exfoliant. Now next I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in the fragrance oil. This is of course optional. You can make it without the fragrance oil. You do always want to make sure you're using a lip safe oil. Not all fragrance oils are for safe on your lips. This is a Crafter's Choice fragrance oil pumpkin pie, and it is lip safe. So I'm going to put in what's going to be the equivalent of about 12 drops. Got that all in there. And then we're going to give everything a good stir here. So it's nice and combined. And in between the brown sugar and the pumpkin pie, it smells awesome. This would also make a great gift. I'm just making it for myself, but definitely could give it as a gift. If you are giving it to someone, or if you're planning on selling it, if you have a shop or anything like that, you would want to wear gloves while you're doing this. Alright, so we do have everything nice and combined there. And then I'm going to go ahead and just get this in my container. I brought 2 out, but it may just be enough for 1. We'll just kind of see. And it will get it'll come back to being a little bit of a harder consistency once it cools down. Get this last little bit of brown sugar in there. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and until I see you in the next one.